Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change the case of a letter in Microsoft Excel. Here you can see I have listed some names with their first letter written in small letters. And even you see some of the names have random letters put in them. So how we are going to change this case? So simply come over here and put is equal. Next we will use the proper function. So write proper proper tab and simply select the letter, close the bracket, press enter, and there you can see the first letter becomes capital. Let me copy the formula to other names, and there you go. Even the names with some random letters gets corrected. In Sajid, you can see we have J and I in capital, but it has been fixed to small case over here. And even if you place first part to a name like John over here and press enter, it would be corrected. And there you can see. However, if you double click over here, you can see we have this function working right behind this name. Let's change them to values. So simply select it and press copy. Again, right click over here, and here you can see we have this option paste as values. Click over here and now you see only names and not the function behind them. Double click and you can see it's just a name. So this is how you can actually capitalize the first letter of a name. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.